Getting a lot of comments on why we're using hand warmers inside of our sealed buckets. How many times have you ever opened up a package of food and found bugs in there, especially if it's been sitting in your cabinet for a while? That's because those packages have three things in there that cause it. Oxygen, moisture, and the parasites themselves. The hand warmers do is they eliminate all of that. That's why they come in a sealed packet, and when you open it and it warms up, we shake it to get the chemicals mixed around so that they can contact oxygen a lot better. Sorry, that's my dogs out there. But once it starts to warm up, we throw it in a bucket. And what happens after that? The bucket, because it has oxygen and air, does contain a small amount of moisture in there. Now, this hand warmer will burn 8 to 10 hours. There's not 8 to 10 hours of oxygen in this bucket here, and it will burn all of that off and use it up. That would eliminate any possibility of mold, mildew, anything like that growing because of the moisture that's in here. And also, we've taken out the oxygen. We've completely eliminated any type of atmosphere that any parasite, any bug, or anything like that, anything living can survive in there. Wipes it out. So anytime we seal up food in a container for long-term storage, I usually say 3 months or more, I drop a hand warmer in there. Seal it up. After that, you shouldn't have any worries at all. Hope that answers your questions. Have a great day.